In today's video, we're breaking down exactly how to make money by generating leads for small businesses. Whether you're a freelancer, side hustler, or agency owner, lead generation is one of the most profitable and scalable services you can offer. And GoHighLevel gives you everything you need to do it from one dashboard. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you want to get paid to help businesses grow without coding or building a brand from scratch, this one's for you. So first off, what is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel is an all-in-one sales and marketing platform built for freelancers, agencies, and service-based businesses. Instead of paying for separate tools to build landing pages, send emails, book appointments, and manage clients, GoHighLevel lets you do everything from one dashboard. Here are some of the core features that make GoHighLevel a go-to choice for lead generation in client-based businesses. First off is the funnel builder. You can create drag and drop sales funnels that convert visitors into leads without needing to hire a web designer. Next is the booking system. You can let potential clients book appointments or discovery calls directly on your site. Next is the CRM and pipeline tracking, so you can manage and track all of your leads from inquiry to conversion using visual pipelines. Automated email and SMS follow-ups. You can send reminders, confirmations, or nurture sequences automatically without lifting a finger. Next is the workflow builder, so you can customize every stage of the client journey with conditional logic and timed automations. Then we have reputation management, which can collect and publish Google reviews to boost social proof for your clients. And then lastly, there are white label options. So if you're building an agency, you can completely rebrand GoHighLevel as your own platform. With GoHighLevel, you don't just offer a service, you offer a system. And when you sell systems, clients stick around longer, refer others, and pay more. So why lead generation is a high income skill? So lead generation is the backbone of every single business, whether it's a dentist, a gym, a wedding planner, or a life coach. They all need clients to stay afloat. Most business owners either don't know how to generate leads or they don't have time to set up the right systems. That's where you come in. When you help businesses consistently generate leads, you become one of the most valuable people on your team, and you can charge accordingly. Lead gen services can be priced as monthly retainers, so $500 to $2,000 per month, or pay per leads model, so $20 to $50 per qualified lead. You could also do flat setup fees and ongoing support. The best part is you don't need to reinvent the wheel. With GoHighLevel, you can copy paste funnels, build automations, and reuse what works across clients. Lead generation also teaches you critical skills in marketing, sales, copywriting, and customer success, all of which translate into other high-paying opportunities. Step number one is to pick a niche and target business type. Before you build anything, get really clear on who you want to help. Pick one niche where leads are super valuable and businesses are already spending money on marketing. Some great niches for local lead generation are home services like roofers, plumbers, landscapers, health and wellness, chiropractors, med spas, and dentists, local services like immigration attorneys, DUI lawyers, beauty like hair salons, techs, and estheticians. Then there's coaching and consulting, so business, fitness, relationship, etc. Start by researching businesses in your area. Are there a ton of new gyms opening up? Are med spas running Instagram ads but missing a solid website? Are local attorneys hard to reach online? That's your opening. Focus on one niche to start so you can build repeatable funnels and messaging. It's easier to sell when you become the go-to expert for one industry. When you speak the language of that niche, your offer sounds more credible and your success rate increases. Step number two is to build a simple lead funnel in GoHighLevel. If you want to get started with GoHighLevel, I've left our exclusive link in the description below. In using our link, you can get a 14-day free trial. So once you go ahead and click that link in the description, you can click start free trial. Then you'll want to enter your company name, your full name, your email address, and phone number. And then you can go to step 2 and you'll create a password. So now what we're going to do is create a funnel. So we'll click new funnel. We can start from blank, from AI, or even from a template. So we'll name our funnel and then click create. So now what we want to do is add a new step or import. So things like landing pages, forms, or checkout pages. Start off with a funnel. We'll click create funnel. Now we're going to create the actual landing page here. So we can design it. So we can create a funnel. So we're going to go ahead and create a new funnel. We can go ahead and use funnel AI, create using AI within seconds, or you can start with a template. Let's go ahead and start with a template. So there is a bunch of templates here, as you can see. Find one that best fits your niche. So let's just say we're going more health and wellness vibes. Maybe our niche is health and fitness coaches. Maybe we want this one. Perfect. Amazing. we'll go ahead and add this. Okay, so now what we need in a funnel is a landing page. So this is the first page someone sees. Make sure your headline explains the benefit of the offer, like get a free quote for landscaping services or sign up for a free strategy call, etc. Keep it short, specific, and problem solving. Then we need a form. So we'll add a form that collects maybe name, email, phone number, and 1 to 2 specific qualifying questions. So here you can see they can even book an appointment right here. So here is they can make an appointment right here. Maybe we want it to be more of a form. Then we can just search form. So we also need to create a form. So we can create a new form. That way we can embed it into the landing page. Okay, so we can edit this. We can edit not only the design, but we can also edit the information that we take. So if we wanted to add some questions, we can do that. Amazing. So then when they come in here, they'll select one. So again, we can customize this, put whatever questions we want on here as well. You can customize other elements like images, file upload, etc. So we'll just leave that named form 0, but you also can go ahead and name it whatever. So now we'll select a form and it will be automatically embedded. So obviously we want to make sure that it fits in well with our landing page. So okay, so you want to make sure it's somewhere that's easily readable. So then when someone comes to your landing page, they will go ahead and fill out the information and submit. So you also can choose to embed it or share the link. So maybe we wanted to, if they wanted to make an appointment, here we would make the button actually go to this form instead, right? In GoHighLevel, this is all drag and drop. You don't need to code, you don't need a designer, and you can reuse the same structure for every new client. Just as a pro tip, you can actually A/B test 2 landing pages with different headlines and CTAs to see what converts better. So now, as you can see, our funnel is home, appointment, or form, and then thank you. And then again, look, you can even directly on here, you can duplicate it and change the CTA, etc. Now, step number 3 is to add automations to nurture and notify. So now that the funnel is live, GoHighLevel makes it super easy to automate what happens next. So you can set up a workflow that sends an instant email, SMS to the lead, thanking them and confirming the next step. You also can notify the business owner by email, app, or text so they can follow up, as well as start a lead nurturing sequence with reminders, testimonials, or booking links. This creates a seamless experience for both the business owner and the customer, and it increases the chances that leads actually convert into paying clients. You can even customize workflows based on how someone answers your form. If someone says they need help within 1 week, send them a fast track sequence. If they don't book a call within 2 days, send a reminder. These automations turn a basic funnel into a lead closing machine. To create a workflow, all you do is click here to create workflow. You can start from scratch or use a template, but templates are always easier. So let's just say we want to lead nurture. So this automation will be trigger Facebook lead form submitted. We would obviously change this to maybe a form submitted. Okay. We'll save that. So form submitted, then the conversational email. Thanks for claiming our offer. Have you experienced a service before? We can obviously update this. Then maybe a text goes out and then maybe wait for reply or 2 minutes. And then did the contact reply? If the contact replied true, then was the reply positive or negative? If it was positive, booking link. If it was negative, survey link. If nothing, then none, right? And so if the client did not reply, then maybe we call, connect, voicemail, wait 1 day, any questions, SMS, okay? See how easy it is to create a lead generating machine, not only when you get an email or their phone number, but this way you can follow up without manually having to think about, okay, I need to call this person in 2 days. Okay, I need to email them, right? It's just a well-oiled machine that works for you. Step number 4 is to get clients in charge for your lead gen system. Now you got a system that works. Now it's time to sell it. Start with outreach. You don't need a big audience. All you need is one solid offer and a few conversations. DM local businesses. Find local service providers on Instagram or Facebook. Look for businesses with no website, a confusing booking system, or very few leads. You can send a message like, hey, I help insert industry businesses get 15 to 30 new leads per month using automated funnels. Want to see how it works? Then you can pitch through cold email. So use a short, non-spammy message, lead with value. Like, hi, name, just checked out your site or Instagram. Are you currently collecting leads online? I help businesses like yours set up automated funnels to bring in new clients every single week. Happy to send over a sample if you're curious. You also can leverage your network. Ask people you know if they work with or know any local businesses who could use help. A warm intro works 10 times better than a cold pitch. There are also freelance platforms, so list your funnel service on sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Contra. Add screenshots of past funnels and explain the outcome. Build a high converting lead funnel for your business type with automation included. Step number 5 is to just rinse and repeat. The beauty of GoHighLevel is that once you've built one great funnel, you can duplicate it again and again. Let's say you help med spas. You create one funnel with a free consultation offer, a lead form, and automated SMS follow-up. That same structure can work for 10 other spas in 10 different cities with just small edits. You can license the funnel template to other service providers, build a funnel on demand service where you deliver in 48 hours. You can offer ongoing lead delivery as a monthly package. You even can transition into building your own local lead gen brand and sell leads directly. This is how you go from a solo freelancer to a scalable business. Lead generation is one of the best kept secrets in the online income world. It's simple to learn, doesn't require fancy branding, and can become your full-time income faster than almost any model. With GoHighLevel, you get all the tools you need in one single platform. From building the funnel to automating the follow-up to managing your client pipeline, you don't need to be a tech expert to make it work. You just need to start. If you're ready to start offering lead generation as a service and turn it into a real business, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. It just helps us to continue to make free content and tutorials just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you build real, scalable income streams using smart digital tools and simple systems. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.